Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Happy Mask Monday! So I'm trying out the bunny ears again, see how this works. And you see this lump over here that's moving? It's a kitty cat. She's sleeping. That sneaks. And she's super comfortable, so I didn't make her move to do the video because, you know. So today I'm doing this soft and smooth, gentle peeling foot mask because summer is over with. We're into the fall. It's starting to get cold here. Chilly anyway. And so, you know, when you wear sandals all summer, your feet can get really dry. So I wanted to try one of these. It's a Korean foot mask. And I'm shocked that it says to leave it on for 60 to 90 minutes. Which I've already put this on. As you can see, it's open. I am not going to traumatize you by showing you my feet. You're welcome. And then I'm going to do this I don't know. This is a Matcha Magic. That was creepy. Super antioxidant mask. And I don't remember where I got it, but it's a clay, like a clay mask. But it looks like, if it will focus, it looks like it's starting to dry up. You see how much it has dried up. So I thought that I would go ahead and use this before it's not usable. So I'm going to put that on and then I'll be right back. Oh, and I have on my Rastafarian kitty cat today. So one moment, please. Yep, so this may or may not have been a good idea. We shall see. I got it all over me and it's already starting to flake and come off. Well, whatever. And that is thick. But matcha is really, really good for you. Whether you put it on your skin or take matcha internally, it's really good for you. So I didn't want that to go to waste. So, on the porch was my IPSY bag. So let's see what I got this time for Halloween. My hands are still wet. My window. Normally I keep my curtain closed. There's a window right here beside me when I'm filming. But it's open, and when my neighbor comes home and he pulls up to back into his driveway, he's going to be surprised at how beautiful I am. Here's my IPSY bag. I've seen pictures of this online and I love it. It's super cute for Halloween. Like I don't have a card. Here's the card. October, Pretty Wicked. Fangs out, lipstick on. Sounds good. This month embrace the unconventional vampy lips, rich shadows, pitch black manis, and you just might vamp some more. That's cute. And it talks on the back about the Glam Bag X that is coming up, which is Huda Beauty. I'm excited about that. So the first thing in my bag, oh, look how well you can see that. This is Glow On Fifth Beauty. Keep It Handy Avocado Hand Cream. That's interesting. Nourish parched dry hands with soothing hydration. Cooling to the touch and rich in texture. Well, I might have to open that up in a minute and try it. And then I have a very beat up box of the Dermelect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Now, the first time that I got this, I made fun. Imagine that, I made fun of something. Of the fact that it said it was a self-esteem beauty sleep serum, that I was going to wake up extremely confident and beautiful. But I'm here to tell y'all, I used this and I loved it. I don't remember what the price of this is. I'll put it across the screen, but this is really good stuff. I really, really enjoyed it. So I believe that I chose this because I had used up the other bottle that I have, but this is some really good stuff. It has a very, very odd smell to it, and I think that some people don't like how it smells. I actually like it for some weird reason, and for some reason it reminds me of something from my childhood, but I can't remember what that is. But this is some really good stuff. If you get the opportunity to try it, you should try that out. And like I said, I'll look up the price and put that on the screen. And then I have e.l.f. Makiage High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara in Icon Black. And I'll show you what the packaging looks like. Very nice. Nice and heavy, feels kind of bougie. I'm not going to open it because I have so many mascaras going on right now, as I'm sure y'all can imagine. And then I have Roen Cake Lash, which is a mascara as well. I got two mascaras, which could totally be my fault because it's black, because I may have chosen one and then they sent me one, but that's nice packaging too. I've never used any Roen, am I saying that right, products, so that will be interesting 8 months from now when I get around to using all the other 1,600 mascaras that I have. And then this is Conrad, the lipstick. It's in the color Shell. A perfect pout, gel smooth, full coverage, matte color that's non-feathering. I have not used any Conrad products, and I can't get into it. Surely this is a sample. I can't imagine that this is full size. Oh, that's very pretty. Look at how pretty it is against my green I've got going on. So that's cool. I will put that in with the other 28 lipsticks I need to use. Y'all, I got a lot of stuff I need to get on board using. I'm going to start doing some makeup videos. It seems like all I've been doing is unboxings, and I'm not using what I'm unboxing. I do believe that I chose this little Viseart palette. This is the Petit Pro Un. I don't think I have this one. I don't think. I have a couple of little, oh look, it's all stuck. I don't remember whether I have this or not. I'm not going to swatch it or anything, because if I do have this one, then I will throw that over in the giveaway box. There we go. That's what's in my little IPSY bag. Let me see if I can find the, oh, let's try out this hand cream. If I can get it open. Where's my blade? There's the tube. You still can't read it. Take my ring off. It's got a seal on it. This clay mask, by the way, leave on for 10 to 30 minutes. I didn't look to see how long I'm supposed to leave it on. I'm just all over the place, ain't I? That has a very nice light smell to it. Absorbs into the skin nice. It's not greasy. That's nice. That'll be nice for the winter because my hands, the backs of my hands will get very dry and sometimes they'll chap a little bit, so that's nice. I can throw that in my purse. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free, so that's nice. So I'm going to look these products up and see what they cost so I know what the value of my bag is, and I'll be right back. I can't smile, look. Look at the texture on that face. I look like, what's with the mask? Okay, so a couple of things. My neighbor just came home. I know he's like, what the hell is she doing? Her face is green and she's got ears on. So that's one thing. And then the other is I'm glad that I went to look up all the prices because I was not supposed to get this. And I have no idea what the value of this is. I was supposed to get the, where is it? The Love and Craft Beauty Detailer Eyebrush Set, I believe is what I chose, which is valued at $55. I doubt that this is worth $55. So without the brush set, my bag comes to $125 because I don't know what this is worth. And I did email them and let them know that I didn't get the brush set, so we'll see what happens. So, I guess I will go wash this off because it's tightening up pretty good. We'll see how I fare walking across the floor with these thingies on my feet because they have to stay on there for quite a bit longer. But I do have my feet in my house shoes, so I should be safe. Don't worry. Don't worry, I'll be fine. I'll be careful. So I'm going to go wash this off because it feels pretty dry. It was kind of dry when I put it on to begin with anyway. And I'll be right back. So that washed off nice and easy. Was not hard to get off at all. You just rehydrate the clay and wipe it off. My skin feels nice and soft. It does feel a little dry in some places, which doesn't normally happen to me with a clay mask. I normally have really good results with a clay mask, but like I said, that looked like it was drying out a little bit. So if you're new to Mask Mondays, Mask Monday is a ladies collab. There are upwards of somewhere around 100 channels that participate on and off from time to time. You can click on the hashtag down in the description and you will get a big long list of other channels that participate, and you can go watch their Mask Monday videos as well. So thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me unbox, unbag my IPSY Glam Bag X. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, my bunny ears stayed on the whole time. I don't know what I did differently. So, what crazy makeup tip am I going to give you today? You can be pretty wicked when I make you mad, which does happen every once in a while, but you can do the fangs out and put your lipstick on. Wonder what color lipstick you would be pretty in. You know, you could start your own lipstick line. You could do like Bass Green or Crappie Yellow. That could be a thing. You never know. Okay, start your own lipstick line and name the colors after fish and stuff. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.